Gems 1 to 3 TV.
Today we are going to learn some opposites words. Perfect for toddlers, preschoolers, and beginners.
Big, small. The elephant is big. The ant is small. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The crocodile is short. Hot, cold. The weather is hot. The weather is cold. Fast, slow. The rabbit is fast. The turtle is slow. Happy, sad. The girl is happy. The boy is sad. Up, down. She is going up. He is going down. In, out. The dog is in the cage. The dog comes out of the cage. Open, close. Open the door. Close the door. Full, empty. The basket is full. The basket is empty. Day, night. It is day. It is night. Sun, moon. The sun shines in the sky. The moon glows at night. Light, dark. The room is light. The room is dark. Hard, soft. The rock is hard. The pillow is soft. Wet, dry. My shirt is wet. My shirt is dry. Near, far. The dog is near. The dog is far. Laugh, cry. The boy can laugh. The girl is crying. Push, pull. Push the box. Pull the box. Stop. Go. Stop at the red light. Go at the green light. Good. Bad. Good habit. Bad habit. Strong. Weak. The boy is strong. The boy is weak. Clean. Dirty. The dress is clean. The dress is dirty. Young. Old. The boy is young. Grandma is old. Boy. Girl. He is a boy. She is a girl. Big. Little. The cake is big. The cake is little. Yes. No. Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it.
Today we learned some opposites words with simple sentences. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.